but tell you not try hard. Them girls then are pretty in a real life. You're pretty on the gram and you're pretty in a real life. Your body look good.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. What's going on? Shana the girl there. Wow, go on. So this video that I'm making is like more of an information vlog type of video, and it's gonna be based on getting my tonsils removed. Yes, you probably see this after I get my tonsils removed and then be able to edit them and stuff like that, but this is before getting my tonsils removed. So reason why I'm getting my tonsils removed, because ever since I was a child coming up to be an adult, they always bother me. Allergies, everything, them get enlarged, and I always have been putting it off to get them removed. And I think my doctors, like many doctors that I've been to before, like if I'm moving I have to get a different family doctor and stuff like that, all of them pretty much say the same: why don't you get surgery and remove it? But I always say, no, it's okay, I don't want to. So since last year 2018, I decided to, you know what, I'm fed up now. I'm tired of the whole sore throat business, swollen days. A lot of days we get up and can hardly talk, and that's one of the things that some of my time I don't even really make any video because it's terrible, right? And we decide that okay, I'm gonna make the next step and just get them removed. I'm gonna do surgery tomorrow, which is the 17th. So I've been researching from where when to find out how the procedure is done, if anybody do the procedure, and how it was with recovery and stuff like that. But before we get into that portion, we just have to say that the doctors then look at my tonsils and then basically call it kissing tonsils, like because they're so close to each other, like they're kissing because they're too close, and you're not supposed to have that tonsil, especially when you're an adult. At least you're supposed to grow out of it. Tonsillitis, about enlarged tonsil, it causes difficulty sleeping, so I have problem getting a good deep rest because constantly I have to be waking. And they did run a sleep apnea test on me the other day. Turns out that I have sleep apnea because I'm a tonsil airway lock off. Like it lock off when I'm sleeping for like a couple seconds. I stop breathing for it. They checked it, and I think them say about 25 to 27 times per hour me stop breathing for like 5-6 seconds, right? So I don't really get a good rest. Actually, I don't get a good rest. So we sleep all 8 hours, 6 hours, even more than that, depending on day off and things, and still wake up and I feel tired. And I always wonder, why is it that I feel so tired same way? It turns out that having tonsillitis and having that problem that causes sleep apnea, that you don't fall into a deep sleep for your body to recover, that is one of the problem tonsillitis and also when me catching a flu, that's the worst time ever because them get so enlarged. Me forgot the bell looking thing at the back part of your throat. I forgot to totally wake name. I'm just gonna call it the bell. But literally anytime I swallow, me feel that bell. You're not supposed to feel it. Me feel it. Per regular day, me feel it. Me just get up tomorrow morning, they're swollen. Like my neck, it just feels so puffy, right? My neck feels so puffy. Me nothing can't see it now, but I gotta do a before and after picture, before surgery and after surgery, and all of those things. I'm allergic to dandelion, so just even sitting down in the grass tomorrow morning, me probably wake up, I can't even talk. Use salt water. Yes, if you probably wonder if me use salt water, any little remedy that could smooth my tonsils, I have. Me do salt water, me do Listerine, me do warm water, anything that you could think of, I have done it, and that have not really probably a little bit. I'm not gonna say no relieve anything, probably a little bit it relieve something, but other than that it don't cure it. Like I can't every single day. Me need to get actually a good rest. So I decide that I'm gonna do the tonsillectomy. I don't remember I say it properly, no, tonsillectomy or something like that, surgery, and get them removed, which is gonna be tomorrow. I'm decided to, you know what, let me do a little vlog for capture before and after my experiences. So this is before the surgery, and I am going to tell you what them require of me to do before getting the surgery done tomorrow. So first thing first, let me tell you what is tonsillectomy. So I don't know if I'm saying it right. Tonsillectomy is the surgical removal of the tonsils, 2 oval shaped pads of tissue at the back of the throat, 1 tonsil on each side. A tonsil was once a common procedure to treat infection and inflammation of the tonsils, tonsillitis. Today, a tonsillectomy is usually performed for sleep disorder, breathing, but may still be treatment when tonsillitis occurs frequently or doesn't respond to other treatments. Yes, I have gotten antibiotic as well. None of those don't work. Pretty much years upon years, none of those don't work. Right? So tonsillectomy may also be necessary to treat breathing and other problems related to enlarged tonsils and to treat rare diseases of tonsils. Recovery time for tonsillectomy is around 10 days to 2 weeks. So them said the average time is about 10 days to 2 weeks, and we'll see about that. And I already prepare some of the things, and because after you have the surgery you can't eat certain things, right? I'm gonna probably do a separate video on that, what to eat and what not to eat. Who knows? Yeah, but I'm gonna tell you a few other things into this vlog video. Alright, why is tonsillectomy, why you have to do it, why you need to get it done? Basically, it's used to treat recurring chronic or severe tonsillitis, meaning that they're enlarged, they're sore, you can't swallow properly, you can't eat properly. So that's one of the reasons why you get rid of them. Complication of enlarged tonsils. Yes, bleeding of the tonsils. Yes, I do have bleeding of the tonsils, especially when them sore, mostly when them sore, and mostly in the morning. We probably cough up a mucus, like a thick mucus, and it will come out with blood sometimes, and sometimes it's terrible. May I tell people, it's just terrible. And other rare diseases of tonsils, so other things, I don't know about the other one, but also sleep apnea. It also helps for sleep apnea as well. So tonsillitis. Tonsils produce certain types of disease fighting white blood cells. Therefore, the tonsils are believed to act as an immune system first line of defense against bacteria, viruses that enter your mouth. That's one of the things that I was concerned about. Like, you know, it helped me to fight off some of those things, and you know, I wonder, oh my gosh, is it that I will get even more sick when we remove them, because it's not gonna help me to fight those off? But when you really check it out, me get pretty much every day me have problem with my tonsils, so me rather have maybe 1 or 2 flu or something per year than every single day me get up with enlarged tonsils, if you know what I mean. Alright, tonsillectomy may be recommended to prevent frequent reoccurring episodes of tonsillitis. Frequent is generally defined as more than 7 episodes a year. That's a little bit compared to what I have. I pretty much have it at least 3-4 times per week, probably even more, because every single morning, literally mean every single morning I get up, I have this big mucus, and then I can't even get too much into it. More than 5 episodes a year in each of the preceding 2 years. More than 3 episodes a year in each of the preceding 3 years. The procedure may also recommend if a bacterial infection causing tonsillitis doesn't improve with antibiotic treatment, which it didn't for me. An infection that results in a collection of pus behind a tonsil doesn't improve with drug treatment or drainage procedure. I don't know about right this up. I don't know nothing about right this up. Complication of enlarged tonsils. So this is what happened. Let me give you some of the things that will happen when your tonsils are enlarged. Tonsils may become enlarged after frequent or persistent infections, or may be naturally large, which mine is naturally large, and when them get infected, them get super large. Alright, or they may be naturally large. Tonsillectomy may be used to treat the following problem caused: difficulty breathing, which I do; disturbed breathing during sleep, yes, definitely; difficulty swallowing, a lot of times I have problem swallowing. Alright, and then just going over some risk. So some other risk is having the tonsillectomy, having the surgery, swelling of the tongue and the soft roof up in your mouth, bleeding after surgery. That's why them also recommend when you're eating anything, don't make it red, because you won't be able to see if your tonsils are, well, not the tonsils anymore after you remove it. That area, that patch area is bleeding, right? If in your mouth is bleeding. But if you are bleeding, you need to go back to the emergency room. That's what they told us. And make sure you avoid sharp food, anything hard, at least for the 2 weeks. Infection. Really, surgery can lead to infection that requires further treatment. You'll receive instruction from the hospital on how to prepare yourself or your child for tonsillectomy. And tonsillectomy is popular in children as well. A lot of parents tend to just get rid of them from they're younger, because they don't remember that pain. When you get older, is more painful and more harder. My surgery is scheduled for 7 a.m. in the morning. I have to be there by 6 a.m. in the morning, and it was supposed to be in-out the same day surgery, like you come in the morning, get it done, and you go home. But because they say that I have sleep apnea, I have to stay overnight for them to observe my breathing pattern to make sure that I'm breathing properly on my own. So I have to go stay overnight. So that means that I have to carry extra clothes and any little thing that could make me comfortable there. And let me see if there's anything. I already called them. They gave me the time already. They told me make sure that I be there by 6, and they gave me a they told me recommended that I need to stop eating by 12 a.m. 12 a.m. today 12 a.m. So nothing solid after 12 a.m. They did say that I can drink fluid up until I think either. So some of the things that I make sure I have, because they've said that no solid food, it has to be soft or liquid. I don't know how it's gonna go for the first day. I really don't know. I'm a really picky person, so I don't know, probably just fluid. So I prepare by getting a grocery list together. I buy potato, sweet potato, jello, icicle, so the potato, the sweet potato and squash, those are, everybody's supposed to know that you boil those, you mash it and stuff like that to get mashed potato and things like that, so it's soft. I bought the jello because, well, I didn't buy any red jello. I bought the jello and put it in the fridge so it's cool. So they said that when I was researching, the cooler it is, it kind of give relief on your throat inside. I bought popsicle. I was gonna buy ice cream, like just the jar of ice cream, but I bought the popsicle because it's a little bit easier for maneuver, just take out one and bam bam bam. I also bought freezy, what we call kissed go back home. I bought a freezy, like about 2 packs of freezy, bought it for me and my son as well, so we can go through that and eat. What else did I buy? I bought rice pudding, I bought almond milk, I bought some banana and pineapple and stuff like that. But don't get me wrong, I won't eat those straight like that. I'll be making smoothies and stuff like that, because it's a good time for kind of getting some of your green smoothies and your fruit smoothies. So I bought some of those things. For comfort, like for relief pain wise, I think they're probably going to give me a prescription for pain meds. Not sure. I think they're supposed to, and I think, sorry, they told me that I need to stop taking my vitamins, like all my vitamins. So all of my vitamins I had to cut off for at least 2 weeks ago, right? Up until now I'm not on any vitamins, so my energy low, a bunch of things is low right now, so everything kinda not exactly as how I want it to be. Can't drink anything, well, alcohol. I don't really drink alcohol still, but once in a while I haven't drink anything like that for the last 2 weeks. I don't smoke. Them say if anyone that smokes, they need to stop smoking at least 2 weeks before. I don't smoke, thank God, knock on wood. And after surgery, I don't know if I can talk, but I am going to make a video so you can see me after surgery. I'm going to try to take a full picture of my tonsils to compare them and my face structure with my throat and stuff like that, to see the swelling like before, during and after, because I think they said it takes up to 4 weeks for the swelling to completely go down. Even after your throat is a little bit healed, it takes a little bit more time for it to go down. So I guess that's about it. I just kind of make you guys know what's going on with me right now. Yes, all right people, I guess that's it. That's what sums up getting my tonsils removed. I don't know what kind of thumbnail I'm gonna put, but yeah, that's just some information I share with you with my local vlog. I normally, the next thing is I really normally vlog that much because I don't really do much, you know what I mean? If I'm going to go to an event or have some things planned, then I'll vlog like something like this. This is very important, so I'm vlogging it. Okay guys, all right. Okay, so thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe if you would like to, and like and comment down below if you had your tonsils out, or if you're thinking to have them out, if you have any problem with it, and if you know anybody that had their tonsils out. Also, my sister had hers out as well, one of my sister. So yes, thanks for watching again, and I'll see you in my next video after this one. All right, later.